Hi friends, welcome to our channel Farmer Geeks. Today we are going to let you know about the benefits of millets. Millets are a small seeded cereal grain consumed as food by millions of people throughout the world. They are often referred to as poor man's cereal because people with a choice prefer other cereals such as wheat or rice. But in recent survey, it has been proved that millets are nutritious millets and it deserves to be reclassified. So, because of its nutritivity properties. Most of millet of the world is grown in Asia, Africa, USSR. More and more people around the world are waking up to the uses of millets and consuming a diet rich in them. Speaks to any fitness enthusiast and they will urge for the miraculous benefits of eating millets. They boost your health and improve weight loss besides being gluten free. Eating healthy can seem like a task with the easy availability of junk food all around us. However, consumption of junk food on a long-term basis, as we are all aware, is incredibly harmful to our health. A good way to get on the path of good healthy is to replace your unhealthy eating habits with healthier options. Millets are available in variety of types with each having its own health benefits. Consuming millet as part of your daily diet is not a new concept. In fact, the population of central and southern India would consume millets almost regularly as a staple food until the Green Revolution made rice and wheat more accessible. They become sidelined as a staple food grain in India due to the government's lack of recognition. The government proactively pushed rice and wheat in the subsidized public distribution system, de-incentivizing farmers from cultivating millets. However, detaching rice or wheat bread completely for millets would not be healthy for your body. Practice grain diversity in your diet for wholesome nutrition. Millets are coarse grains which have been traditionally grown and eaten in the Indian subcontinent for the last 5,000 years. They contain high nutritional values and are rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, and fibers. Unlike other cereals, millet require little water and ground fertility. They have long enjoyed the tag of poor man's food grain due to its sheer affordability. However, of late it has come into the notice of the fitness-centric youngsters who are learning the wellness potential of this humble food. Millets are generally divided into two broad categories, that is naked grains and husked grains. Naked grains refer to the three popular millets type which are devoid of the hard indigestible husk that some millet have, namely ragi, jowra and bajra. These millets don't require processing after harvest. They can simply be used after being cleaned. Foxtail millets, little millets and kudu millets belongs to husked grains. These millets types consist of an indigestible seed coat. The husk on them needs to be removed before they are fit for human consumption. Millet contain a host of micronutrients such as iron, calcium and phosphorus. Also, they take time to digest. which don't cause the blood sugar spike associated with easily digestible food. Introducing millet into your diet can help you control diabetes for the same reason. Millet's benefits. Millets are rich in several beneficial nutrients such as phosphorus, magnesium, copper, manganese, and so on. Incorporating millet into your diet can help because of the following millet benefits. 1. It aids weight loss. It keeps your blood sugar level low. 3. It boosts your immunity. 4. Reduces cardiovascular risk. 5. Prevents asthma. 6. Helps your digestion. 7. Acts as an antioxidant. Thank you for watching.